What is up, YouTube? What's up, Levi?
What's up, YouTube?
All right, so we are doing this K-member install, or we are doing part of it tonight, and we've already started. And I was supposed to record, but I didn't. So you're going to come into this about halfway, I would say. Levi's cleaning some things off, but pretty much the gist of what we've gotten done so far is we have taken everything apart and pulled this K-member out. I'll let you see that. And then the new unit going in right here. It's pretty basic. What we've done is the stock 302 had 2 hooks that you're able to, and if you can see up there, we have it supported by a Harbor Freight engine support deal. And he left his, see here, I'm gonna put some light. He left his hooked on here and just sort of strapped it up. This is just some little extra insurance with this pole jack. It doesn't have any pressure on it. And he's cleaning everything up. Very nice, very nice. And so we're gonna, I think what we're gonna get done this evening is put it back up in there, the new one, and get the engine supported by it.
Show where the motor mount broke.
Oh yeah, we've got to do that. This, where's it at? Right there. Right there. Oh yeah, there it is. Motor mount bolt broke off in the block, so we're gonna easy out that mug. That's gonna be fun. So
This line.
it's gonna be all sorts of fun. This unit here though, I mean, the difference, like, and I know there's probably been hundreds of thousands of people who've experienced the difference from this chromoly to this deal, but you can like work out, like have a good workout with that, doing like bent over rows and deadlifts and all that crap. This thing you can pick up, I mean it's light as a feather. It's really unreal. Also putting some energy suspension motor mounts in here. Oh yeah, gotta love it. Fox body, getting some lightweight stuffs. So you having fun, Levi?
No.
Look at all that prettiness though in there.
These gay 4-cylinder spindles.
Yeah, 4-cylinder spindles. Not exactly for the win, but they work. But everything is in with the K-member besides this side. He's got to put the spindle on. But UPR, you know, UPR. Woo! Very, very nice unit.
You need to send me a free hoodie.
Very nice. Very nice fitment. Went up in there no problem. Make sure you don't forget the bolt on that steering rack. Very awesome. And honestly, not that difficult to put in. We ran into some small complications, but other than that, nothing. Looking good. Alright, what's up guys? A little side note on this. Obviously this is a little newer. We went back, found this content, had forgotten to post it about the Fox body install on the K-member from UPR. Everything is done now. Obviously we've got some installed pics. Car sits great, rides great. The only issue that he had is when he went to get it aligned, found that the tie rod ends need to be replaced, so he is doing that currently. Just remember, you know, these guys, these Fox bodies are getting to be 30 years old now. Go ahead and allot yourself the money and the resources to replace all suspension components, or as much, ball joints, things of that nature. That's actually one of the reasons that the K-member is being installed. Is the ball joints were starting to have some play in them, and so he replaced bearings. Now he's replacing tie rods. He replaced the entire K-member assembly, and we're going to be doing the bushings on the rear end as well as new control arms. So just remember, these cars, especially if you're going to be drag racing them, these things are 30 years old. Parts are starting to wear out that you may not even think about. So we're just allot that money. Don't be stingy. Don't cut corners and get it done. He did have to grind on the spindles, on the two parts of the spindle that mount inside of the strut are a lot thicker on the 4-cylinder cars for some reason. So just on a side note, for all of the 4-cylinder swap guys, or just 4-cylinder guys in general, when you go to put strange struts and coilovers on, you will have to take and either swap to a GT spindle, or just grind for a while. Now it is going to take a little while to grind. I think you may have to grind like maybe 1/8 of an inch or more off of it, but not that big of a deal. I mean, it's not that hard to make a 4-cylinder spindle work. And GT spindles are upwards of $100 to $150 used when you find them. So you can save you $100 by doing an hour's worth of labor, maybe. So I apologize for the video quality. It's rainy and nasty, but wanted to get some content out there. We've had a little, sucky weather and just a terrible start of this year when it has came to racing and things. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more videos like this, hit that comment button and tell me what you want to see. I don't have a lot, people like to comment on the videos, and I really appreciate as much content, I don't even know what you would call it, as much discussion as we have on there. But I want to hear more of what you guys want to see. I get negative comments on some of the videos that get some traction. A lot of hate and a lot of personal hate on people, which is unreal. Talking about people's weight and things, and that's just unreal. But I want to see what you guys want to see if I can make that happen. We got some events coming up that are supposed to happen, and it's all depending on weather. Weather's killing me. I don't race car for a living. I don't YouTube for a living. I do plumbing for a living, and don't really feel like recording plumbing for you guys. I don't think that you would enjoy that too much. So I try to do as much race car stuff as possible. So thank you guys for your support. Don't forget our 1,000 sub giveaway. We're only like 150 away. Go comment on that video, subscribe, and we'll give away a huge swag pack to somebody. So do that, like, comment, all that good stuff. But peace out, Girl Scout.